we are talking about strings in this one. Okay, yeah, we do came across like commenting things out. Like you might have seen something like this before. So this is not a comment, rather it's a print. We can use it to actually print things, but without a print it will be ignored by Python rather as a comment. It will be read, but it won't be printed because there is no print function to print this one. Rather, the comment will be ignored completely by Python. So the function might look like the same, but it's not the same. So that's what author wants to do. So the commenting and quoting out are different. So just keep that in mind. So that's what he wants to say. So if you are using a very long string, if you don't want to use the triple quotes, you can use this one to use a very long string, like a paragraph or something. If you want to use it, you can use that without using that quotes. So yeah, these are some of the things you might be interested in while printing something. This is like a cheat sheet, you can use it. So this is the way of slicing a string. So a colons b, which means the index of a through index of b minus 1. Let's see an example that might give you a better understanding. So I have the orange. Intentionally misspelled it. So I want to access the ith value. So I have to give the index value of 0, 1, 2. So fruit of index 2 will be I, but I want to replace with orange because the spelling is wrong. But this will have a runtime error because, like I said, strings are immutable. So you can't manipulate this. So if you want to change a string without breaking it, so what is the way of doing it? So let's access the value from 0 till 2 minus 1, which is OR, and I will be accessing from 3, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, which is N, till the end. If I don't represent anything, which means till the end. If I don't represent in the first, it means from 0. This is self-explanatory, right? So I will access these values and I just append the value with the plus operation, and I just print the value orange. So this is the workaround to to do what we are doing without breaking it. So this will be done, but manipulating the string is not possible. Like slicing and adding we can do. So the meaning of life, I'm just printing s. I think this will print s. If I do dot upper, everything will be in caps, self-explanatory. So find can be used to search a string to have a matching parameter that you pass to. So good thing to know. So that's pretty much it for string